I'll just show you this one also, how to debug the JavaScript. So on Chrome and Firefox is very easy. We just have to use the developer console. You just need to press F12 and do that. And if it is IE, it's a little different one. Anyway, we have to just depend on debug on Chrome or Firefox. We just need to press F12. So before that, we have to do one more thing. So here I am on the phone. Before that, let me go to Visual Studio. So here in the script, you have to add one debugger semicolon statement. This is the first step you have to do. This is nothing but the breakpoints. If I want one breakpoint here, one here, I need to. Then if you press F5, it will just move from here to here. So this method will not debug, but this will debug because there is a breakpoint is mentioned over here. Now, while you are debugging it, you have to go to your web resource and then make sure that you can edit it and make sure that you have the debugger statement is added over here. Once you add it, click OK, save and publish it. So now it is ready to be debugged. After that, you go to your CRM application on the page where you want to debug it. Just press function F12. So the console will open up here. After that, you just perform the operation that you're supposed to do. So I'm just going to save this record. That will trigger my event. You can see appear over here. Now then I can press. You might be familiar with this. Just press F10. Just go to line by line. I can get the phone number over here. F10 to go line by line. Your phone number is null. So it will show this notification. It will go from there. Yes, the notification will be displayed. Just press F5 if you just need to clear everything. So that's how it is. And you can see the dummy data is added. Once you're done with that, click OK, remove it. And then once you find out your errors, just fix that, go to text editor, you fix it. Once you fix it, again, if you want to debug it, so once you have the everything ready. So now I have the value now. If I just try to debug it, then I try to save again. So it will trigger the event. It is stopping on the debugger. If I need to switch to another debugger, if I had one over here, just press F5. Now I'm pressing F10. So this time I get the phone number. Phone number is not empty. So it will not go inside this. It will not show any alert. So that's how you can debug it. And so this is just press F12. Developer console you can use in Chrome as well as in Firefox. Firefox is the same method. Just press F12. The window would be a little different, but the same thing. In IE, the process is a bit different. In IE, you have to use Visual Studio, and then you have to use it. In Visual Studio, what will happen is in IE, when you're trying to do this operation, if Visual Studio is already up and running, it will just show one pop-up saying that Visual Studio just in debugger, where you want to debug it. So you just click whichever window you have to select. Now I have two windows selected, Visual Studio 2015 and 22. So it will show me two options, 2015 and 22, where you want to debug it. I just select either one so that it will just open up that particular Visual Studio window and show just break here, and it will just stop the breakpoint over here. From there I can press F10 and then just move. Same process only. Okay, so that's how you debug the JavaScript.